Hi everyone, my name is Ariz. I'm gonna show you how to log on to the using UCLA through Zoom. So let's open Zoom up. So as you can see here, I'm logged on to Zoom, but it's my personal Gmail account. But we don't want that because we want to log on to our UCLA Zoom. UCLA Zoom for UCLA work, personal Zoom for something else. And plus you have more features when you log on to the school Zoom anyways. So let's sign out on this one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is open the Zoom app again. Okay, now we're gonna sign in, right? Click this button. You see how you got different things right here. You can sign in SSO, Google, Facebook. You can basically sign into Zoom using all that account, but in order to use UCLA verified name, screen name, you gotta click in this one, SSO. Click the SSO, make sure it says ucla.zoom.us, click continue right here, and then it's gonna dual authenticate. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do dual authentication, very important. There we go. And as you can see, I'm logged on to my UCLA account using Zoom. That's how you verify it. It says licensed. Okay? Log on to your UCLA work, UCLA Zoom when you go to UCLA stuff. Because school stuff for schoolwork, right? And it helps making the customized breakout rooms, helps your TAs and your professors. Anyways, that's all. Let me know if you need anything else. Peace.